Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Limitless Mind. Here I am Abhishek, your mentor, who is actually studying second year MBBS in Georgia Caucasus University, and I'm a top rank student. And actually now I thought of starting a channel where I have kept it limitless mind because my channel is not specified to one thing, but the whole broader all type of content what you want for any entrance exams what you want, just let me know, I'll be doing. But I have specified things like JEE, NEET UG, NEET PG, boards and grade classes like 6th to 10th, anything I will actually be able to teach. So the thing is, you guys have to support the YouTubers like me. I know Physics Wala and big YouTube already are available channels where actually you guys are following them from long, but please support the channels like me also where I don't know how to actually edit or anything, but I know how to deliver the quality content. So, as you guys know, JEE Mains is the thing which actually I'm going to start now. As you're able to see on the screen, I have written sets, relations, functions, which is actually the unit one of the JEE Mains according to NTA. So, it is one of the most competitive exams in India with millions of students aspiring to secure the top rank and get into prestigious engineering colleges where competition is very fierce. And in order to stand out, you need to not only have a deep knowledge of the concept, but also know the tricks and strategy to solve the problems efficiently. That's what here this channel comes where this channel is actually where it plays very important role there. If you follow along with me, learn, practice with me, I guarantee you'll be equipped with knowledge to tackle even the most complex question in JEE Main. So together we'll make sure that you're not only exam ready, but also prepared to achieve your dream brand. So this topic, which actually we are dealing with now, the sets, relations, functions, is foundation for many other concepts in JEE. So mastering now will make everything else much very easier. So actually let's start up with the part one that is sets, relations, function, the basics. And then part by part this unit one will be like five parts. So this is the part one. So by the end of five parts you'll be done with unit one and you'd have mastered with all the types of questions. So the set is actually what? It's just collections of objects or elements where it can't be duplicates and it's always unique. Like, just take an example where I tell you, just set all the numbers which are less than 5. What you'll do? You'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, which is actually a set. That's it. Set is a set. Simple. In normal English, setting things up. Same thing. Maths is easy. Just playing with numbers. Don't scare. Now, important operations. Union. Nothing else. Just combine the elements and don't repeat it. Example, we have a set A called 1 and 2, B 2 and 3. And union symbol is this U. So A union B is the writing form which tells A and B union all the elements which are actually included without repetition. So 1 is there in only once in A, but 2 is there common in A and B. So just write once and 3. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So the 1, 2, and 3 is A union B. Intersection is simple logic. In union, you are actually considering all, but in intersection, you're not considering all, but you're considering the common between these sets. So actually, in the previous only, I told the 2 was common between A and B both. So intersection symbol is the inverted. So intersection of A and B will be 2. That's it, easy. And complement. So complement means actually everything which is not in that set, but within the large universal set. So example, universal set, if we consider 1 as a big set of all numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a small set A of 1 and 2, and if the question is telling, find A prime, prime is this symbol. Okay, so A prime is actually means A complement they are asking. Complement means just find what is the common in A set which is there in universal set. Then actually you remove that and the remaining one within that set but not within the common set is this 3, 4, 5. That is the complement of the A set. Simple. So the logic is whatever is common in A set, just remove that from the universal set and the remaining ones will actually be the complement. And the power set is actually the set of all possible subsets. Example, you have a set A with 1 and 2. The power set will be null. This is called null, where this is called null. A 0 with a slash means no, nothing. And 1, 2, 1, 2. What is its means? So set of all possible subsets. So just try making combinations of 1 and 2 if I tell what you'll do. You'll tell nothing, nothing and 1, nothing and 2, 2 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 1 and 1. You can make many. So just take the common ones. So null, 1, 2, 1, 2. These are a power set. Got the logic? Yes. Easy. As time passes, will delve into still complex ones. These are just simple. I know you guys would have already known it. Um, but I'm explaining in this detail because I know that always quality matters, not the quantity. So the relations, if we talk about now, we are done with sets. Now application of set comes in relation, application of relations comes in functions. So they are interrelated. So relation are just connect the elements of the two set. In sets was related with elements. Relations are linking of the sets itself. Example, you have a set A with 1, 2, and 3. B with example A and B. So just relate from all the set A to set B, like 1. Here you are able to see 1 is linked with small a, 2 is linked with small b, 3 is linked with, let's consider C. So 3 will be linked with C. Okay, so that's a relation. So you can have three types: reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Reflexive is like a mirror, like just keep a mirror between one, you should have a same number actually. So the logic, the simplest logic to remember, they should be same repeating numbers. That's a reflexive. But symmetric is like, I know you, you should know me. It's a symmetric. One is related with two, two should be related with one, symmetric. Transitive, I know you, you should know someone, that someone should know me. A related with B, B related with C. So A should be related with C, then only it's transitive. Got the logic? Yes. Now the functions. So functions are actually application of relations. So special relations where actually your domains and range are the terms which we'll use in functions, where elements of the first set will be considered as domain, and the next which it will be linked to will be the range. So this is the form f of the two dots we will use to represent the as a function, and a to b. So a will is the first which is being linked with other. So which is linking is the domain, which is being linked is the range. Example, if we take A as 1, 2, 3 set and B range A, B, C. So 1 will be related with A, which is function 1, function 2 will be related with B, function 3 related with C. You got the logic, right? Simple. Now, same like previous in relation, we had three things. Same way here, three things we have: injective, surjective, bijective. Injective is just unique, just what we saw in the previous example. That's injective, where every one-to-one relation of the from the domain to range, it's linked and it's unique. But surjective, and remember the word one-to-one. It's very important in MCQ. You'll be able to tackle it. And surjective is like onto, where actually that tells not only domain to range, all the elements in the range should be linked with domain. Vice versa also should be there. Then it's surjective. And if it's both, it's bijective, where domain should be linked with range, range should be linked with domain. And composition of functions, we will end today's lecture, where composition is just linking to different functions itself. example, we have functions A to B, and we have another new function called G, where it's G, B to C. So a G function, a F function. So a G function and a F function is two different functions, where in G function, the domain is B and the range is C, and in F function, the domain is A, range is B. So if you link, you have to remember this form, which is universal form, where G of Fx, G of Fx means actually it's simple, where you apply first the small f, which is the first function, and the result what you get, you'll apply to the G, which is the second function. So that's it for the part one of sets and relation and function. We have covered all the basics of sets, how to perform operations, and understood the relations and learned easy, understandable way I have explained you guys. So remember, I will be always repeating and reminding you that JEE Main is all not about understanding concepts deeply and practice. It's all about consistency, time efficiency. You should be so that you will be able to solve any level of toughest questions confidently. So in the next upcoming videos, we'll go still deeper into more advanced concept and we'll start question solvings and we will make sure you are prepared for anything JE throws at you. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And the comment section is open. Please, everyone, comment your views after you watch the video and be join and on the bell icon so that you'll get the notification whenever I'll upload a video, a post, or shorts. Where actually, if you keep practicing, I'm sure we all can aim, and you, those who are actually studying from me, you will surely get A1. That's the actual thing I'll promise. I'll bring questions after questions, concepts after concepts, the shortcut after shortcuts, and I'm sure you guys will ace it. So wait for part two, where actually we will go to upcoming parts. And this unit one actually of J main series, which we are starting, it's 5 parts, where if you cover these 5 videos, the first unit of J main, which is the sets, relations, and functions, you would be mastered with. So be connected and comment your views. And I can take in Desi, Kannada, Hindi language also. If you want, just mention there. And for any abroad related admissions, if you want any of your interested cleared NEET UG and need abroad admission counseling, just let me know and I will connect to my team. And actually, I will guide you all and give motivation for upcoming MBBS career, which actually I'm pursuing it, and I'll be a doctor by 2029. So thank you guys. And also regarding this medical things, also I'll be bringing, and I will focus on that also. And yeah, so show your support, and if with your support, let's make this channel with billions of subscribers, where this will be open to all type of things what you want. Any type of topics you want, just mention. I will explain you very well in the easiest ways so that you will be able to ace it. Thank you guys once more and goodbye. Take care. Jai Shri Ram.